Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 1.1 question number 7. In a magic square, each row, column and diagonal have the same sum. Check which of the following is a magic square. First of all, let us check this box, right? First we are adding this row, that is first column. We are adding first column, first column, first column equal to 5 plus of minus 5 minus 5 minus 5 plus 0, and that comes to 0, right? Second column, column is minus 1 minus 2 plus 3, that is equal to minus 3 plus 3 is equal to 0, right? Now third column, minus 4 plus 7 minus 3, that is equal to plus 7 minus 3 is equal to 0. Plus 7 and minus, it is minus 7 actually, plus and minus 7 is equal to 0. Now first row, is equal to 5 plus of minus 1 plus of minus 4 minus 4. Therefore it is equal to 5 plus into minus 1 minus 4, that is equal to 4, 5 minus 5, it comes to equal to 0, right? This is first row. Then second row, is equal to minus 5 plus minus 2 plus 7, that comes to minus 5 minus 2 plus 7, that is equal to minus 7 plus 7, that comes to equal to 0, right? Now third column is third row is 0 plus 3 minus 3, that is also comes to 0, right? Now diagonally we will add this diagonal and this diagonal. Diagonally we are adding the first diagonal, first diagonal, is equal to 5 plus minus 2 plus minus 2 plus minus 3, minus 3, 5 plus this is minus 2 actually, this is minus 2, this is plus, therefore we are getting 5 minus 2 minus 3, that comes to 5, 5 minus 5, that is equal to 0, right? Now the second diagonal, here we are writing the second diagonal here, second diagonal. Second diagonal is equal to 0 plus minus 2 minus 4, that is 0 plus minus 6, and that comes to minus 6. Therefore this square is not a magic square. Why? Because the second diagonal is not 0, it is 0 minus 2 minus 4, that is minus 6. Therefore first diagonal is not the magic square. Let us check the second square. For first diagonal we are finding first diagonal is equal to, so this one, that is 1 plus minus 3 plus minus 7 minus 7, that is equal to 1 minus 3 minus 7, that is equal to 1 minus 10, that is equal to minus 9. This is first diagonal. Let us check the second diagonal. Second diagonal is this one, that is minus 6 plus minus 3 plus 0, that comes to minus 9. Now first column, first column is equal to 1 plus minus 10 plus 0, that is equal to 1 minus 10 plus 0 is equal to minus 9, right? Now second column is equal to minus 4 plus minus 3 plus minus 2, that is equal to minus 4 minus 3 minus 2, that comes to minus 9. Now third column, this one not column but this one is first row. We are doing a row. Let us set up this one. We are doing the row here. This is first row we are doing, right? This is second row we are doing. right? Now this is the first this is first row, this is second row, first one second row is same, that is minus 9, and now third row is equal to this one, minus 6 plus 4 minus 7, right? That means you are getting minus 6 and minus 7 is minus 13 plus 4, and that comes to minus 9. In all the row we are getting minus 9. Now we'll check the column, right? That is, here we'll check the column. It is first column is equal to 1 plus minus 4 plus minus 6 plus bracket minus 6. Then what you're getting, you see, that is 1 minus 4 minus 6, that comes to 1 minus 10, and you are getting minus 9. This is first column, right? Now second column is what we are getting, in second column we are getting minus 10 plus minus 3, that is minus 3 plus 4, that is comes to minus 13 plus 4, and that comes to minus 9, right? And next one is third column. Here we will solve the third column, that is third column is equal to 0 minus 2 plus minus 2 plus minus 7, that is minus 7, and it comes to minus 9, right? Here you see, in the second column all the rows, all the column and both the diagonal are same. Therefore we can say that question number 2 is the magic square, right? Therefore question number 2 is 2 is the magic square, is the magic square, magic square. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.